How are you, Vrishank, Annika,
I'm good.
Good, how are you?
Arihan? How are you? Yes, I'm good.
I'm good.
Guys, video is mandatory, guys, as a part of the class. Sorry to force you, but that's the only way you can have a hold. Okay. Arihan, good to see you after a long time. Hi. Vrishank, I have not met, and Annika, I have not met. I know. Fahima, good to see you after a long time. I'm sorry. Sorry, that's your mom's name, right? Shahreen. Yes, yes, yes. Change your name. Otherwise, I'll call you Fahima. Okay. Good to see you. I was eagerly waiting to meet Arihan and Fahim after long, Shahreen after a long time. Okay, guys, shall we go ahead? So, see, this class will be a little fast paced. So, we'll see what we can do. Today, I want to do algebra based ratio, proportions, percentages, equations. That is the plan for today. I'll show you. Let's see how each of us cope. Based on that, we'll continue if you like it. You see what I mean? Because there's no force at the end of it. It will help you prepare for AMC8. Okay. So let me share my screen. This is our plan. You all see the plan? You'll see the plan on the board. Huh? So basically what we are going to do is, this is November 12th, right? We'll work on equations, ratio, proportions, and percentage. Meaning, if you're given a word problem, how will you start writing equations? How will you solve equations? The problem is, when you come to this class, the basic expectation is you know some equations. We'll see, okay, how it goes, okay? A couple of you may not know how to solve equations or write equations. So based on how it goes, if it works, we'll continue. Otherwise, we'll do it next year. Some of you are really young. Okay. Now, but the thing is, after the 1 hour of class, right, we do, meaning we will go over the basic how to do word problems, how to write out equations. There are a few types of word problems that are so important. We will go over it. But after that, at the end of the class, I will give you a paper, basically 25 question paper. Okay. It is timed for 40 minutes. I would like you to finish that and then go. Does it make sense or is it an overload? You can feel free to tell me.
I understand.
You understand? Okay. All of the others, is it okay, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. It's going to be 1.5 hours, but don't get balked by the number of hours or anything. Okay. These are just basic 6, 7, what to say, 5, 6, 7 grade level algebra we are going to study. Okay. But if you're doing pre-algebra, you're in good status. Okay, I have not included much of algebra into this though, meaning what to say? Definitely algebra is included, but I have not included lines, perpendicular lines, parallel lines, all that I have not included. Just that because I know who are coming to class. Okay, but those are also as well important from AMC8 perception. Okay, but whatever most important we can cover, we'll cover. Any questions for me? Okay, what is this AMC8? You all know what is AMC8, huh? It's a it's the basic American mathematics competition, right? So who conducts it? Do you all know? MA mathematical. So American, see, MAA is the organization that conducts AMC8. AMC is the American mathematics competition for eighth graders. Anybody lower than eighth grade even can take up this competition. Why are you taking this AMC8? Meaning, several of your friends are not taking at school, right? Why should you alone take? Basically, it keeps in touch, it helps you to keep in touch with basic math. What I see across grades is 6, 7, 8 math you complete. When you come to ninth, you'll ask me, Auntie, did we do this in sixth grade? That's the question I'm getting from several of you. That won't happen. In addition to that, since you are being in touch with this basic math, right? Meaning basic whatever proportions rates, right? When you don't have to specially prepare for SAT exam, PSAT exam, you can just go attend because you will be in touch with it and you don't need to you don't need any revision or preparation specially for math. You see, that's how it should be. Okay. Okay. So, and one another thing is, if you're really interested and you pursue this, right, you can do MC8 and then you can do MC10. Okay. MC10, when you go to MC10, please understand all these nuances. Okay. Many of your parents don't know, and it is important that you guys know. Okay. AMC8 is for 8th graders. Okay, it's not meant for 8th graders. Anybody lower, even a 2nd grader can do MC8. You got it? Then you have this MC10. But the problem with the MC10 is they have two question papers, 10A and 10B. Okay, you guys have to know, okay, if you're really interested in pursue, and if you pursue further, you should know. So MC10 is 10A, 10B. Okay, usually people who are very new do not know and just take one. No, that's not the way we do. You sign up for both of this and try whichever, wherever your score is better. Don't waste your years. Many of them who tried for the first time only take one. But if you're clever and have a good insight before itself, you take both the papers and see which one you're faring better. Some kids will fare better in 10A, some kids will fare better in 10B. Okay, based on your scores that come out of this, right? Meaning the main difference between these two is, yes, the problems are definitely complicated in AMC 10. However, the main difference is there is no negative marking here. So please attempt all the questions in AMC 8. There is no negative marking. Whereas in AMC 10, if you leave a question blank, they will give you 1.5 points. If you go wrong, 0. If you get it right, it's 6. You got it? Meaning if you get a question right, it's 6. If you get a question wrong, 0. If you don't attempt, you get 1.5 for the question. So at this level, you should clearly know what I know, what I don't know. There is no point in attempting. See, in AMC, when I have my younger daughter attend this, right? You know what I tell her? Hey, go ahead and attend. If you don't know anything, just put A and come back. You see, at least two of them will become right, and that's no use actually. It just basically we are just abusing the system, which is not correct as well. But then there is no negative marking. Nobody is going to penalize you for guessing. Here, if you guess, yes, you are penalized. At this level, you should know whether I want to do it or not. If you don't know, don't attempt. You get 1.5 still. If get it wrong, it's a 0. Get it right, it's a 6. Got it? Then it branches to AMC 12. This is taken by 12A, 12B. This is taken by 11th and 12th graders. Okay, but if you're too ahead, right, you can either take this exam or this exam. You can either take this exam or this exam, meaning you can't take 10A and 12A in a particular year. You should always take 10A, 10B or 12A, 12B. Or you can take 10A, 12B. That is okay. You can take these. That is okay. Okay, guys. So this is the pathway you go about. Any questions still here? Once you do well in these exams, you will be invited for American Invitational Mathematics exam. Okay, this exam is tough. Okay, there are only 15 questions. Okay, I think it's for 3 or 4 hours. Okay, now they sum up these two. They add the scores of these two, or they add the scores of these two and qualify you for US Olympiads. Did you all get it? This is how the system works. Okay, please understand and then we'll move on. Okay, so basically we are trying to touch the first step. Any questions on this? Okay. Okay. I want to follow two books. For now, I'll go ahead and give you all the questions that we are going to solve or whatever. Okay. So we will start with algebra. Let's see this one. Okay. Let's see how, meaning, I don't know what each of your equation solving capability right now is, but we should be in a position to start writing equations, right? So basically, let me go ahead, put up a problem, see where we are, and then adjust accordingly. Okay. Angela is 3 years older than twice her brother Thomas. Hey, I'm directly diving, so we don't want to waste time. Okay. If Angela is 17, how old is Thomas? I really want you guys to try, meaning I would like you all to use equations. Equations in the sense, Angela is 17. So Angela is 17. Okay. I need to find how old is Thomas. But there is something given here. 3 years older than twice her brother Thomas. So would you mind going ahead and trying it for me? Meaning you have to translate the words, okay, into algebra. Algebra means equations. So you should know by now, if you are studying pre-algebra or algebra with me, you should be able to do it, okay? Younger ones, I'm still not sure. Let's see. Can you write the equations, please?
How do you put like a dividing symbol in?
A slash, forward slash.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Arihan, please feel free to. You can eat. Doesn't matter. It's more of an informal class. Can I go ahead? Vidyut, I would like to see the equation.
Oh, okay. I actually sent the equation actually.
2x plus 3 equal to 17, right, Annika?
Sorry, I did a typo.
No problem. Can I move on? Okay, so, okay. Arihan, how is it for you?
I solved it and I sent it to you.
You solved it, but you did not use equations, right?
Oh, I'm supposed to write the equation?
Yeah. Would be nice. The sum of 5 consecutive integers is 80. What is the smallest of the integers? How will we do this? Do you want to explain? Do you want to explain, Aryan?
Sure, Auntie.
If you don't know, you
So,
can pass.
I'm not entirely sure that I know, but I want to try it.
Sure.
Okay, so 5 consecutive integers.
How will we say? See, we have to use variables, right? So what is the first
Yeah.
number? Let's call the first number. We should always define variables. So how can I define those? I need variables. I need letters to represent each of the integers. So what do I do?
Yeah. Since it's 5 consecutive numbers, you can put in parentheses x plus 1, and then before that there will be a variable.
I can call them x plus 1, right? Consecutive numbers means, let's say the number 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Do you see? So I can call the first number as x, x plus 1, correct?
Yeah.
I can move and say x plus 2, x plus 3, but I don't want to say like that, okay? A better, clever way would be to have x as the middle one, 5 numbers, right? X minus 1 and plus 1, x minus 2 and plus 2. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number. All are consecutive. What are consecutive integers? Vrishank, do you know what is consecutive integers?
I think they're like they're like integers that
Consecutive means next to each other. You got it?
oh okay. Yeah, I got it.
Annika, Shahreen, are you with me? Oh, wow, that's correct, Arihan. The equation is correct. Okay, impressive. Okay, let's see. So now, if you have the integers like that, when you sum it up, right? When you sum it up, how will you add all of them? Vidyut, can you tell me? When you add all of them, what happens?
It will equal 80.
Yeah, it will equal 80, but how do you add these? X all go together. How many x's are there? 5x. But then the minus 2 gets cancelled with the plus 2. Minus 1 gets cancelled with the plus 1, right? So now I'm only left with 5x equal to 80. So see, it's like 5 unknowns are equal to 80. So one unknown is what?
13.
80 by 5, 13. So this number is 13. So what are my numbers? 14, 15, 12, 11. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Yes.
How easy to see. Actually, algebra, This is algebra. Using this is algebra. Now let me go ahead and give you, you're going to write equations on this, okay? You're going to assign variables, you're going to write equations. Correct, Monica. Harshita, are you able to follow? This is easy for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. Okay, how about this? I am following a book. I'm going to give you the name of the book as well, okay? Height of a rectangle is 3 centimeter more than twice its length. Perimeter of the rectangle is 60 centimeter. What is the area of the rectangle? Guys, I really want you to write equations. Okay, so define your variables. Define your variable. What is x, what is y, all that. You don't have two variables, okay? I'm not taking you that far. You're just going to have one variable yet. Samantha, you're able to follow, ma?
Yeah, auntie.
Oh, okay, good. Dia, how about you, ma?
I'm almost done.
Illama, are you able to follow?
Yeah.
Okay. Swarit, you are, right? Yeah. Okay. Sayush, that's nice. Is your equation right? Swarit, the Sayush, is your equation right?
Yeah, I
Sayush,
think so.
why don't no, you know how to write out equations, okay? I feel like you're clear with the concept, but draw the rectangle. How will you find the perimeter? Draw it and write the equation.
Okay.
You're just missing because you're mentally thinking. Oh wow, Annika, good job. Annika, is this easy for you?
We learned this in school like last year, so I'm a bit familiar with this topic.
Okay, okay. Now, see, okay, it becomes tougher as we move up. Next is going to, yeah, let's finish this. Okay, we are going to, okay, the next one that we will cover is B equal to RT problems after this. And then we are going to work on work rate problems. These two are a little tricky. Harshita, correct, ma? But Hamsini, that's right. Answer is right.
Auntie,
Yeah, ma?
can you go over this question? I'm a little bit confused.
Yes, absolutely. Is there anybody whom I should wait for, or can I go ahead and solve? Shahreen, did you do, or should I wait? Arihan, should I do? Are you doing? Should I wait?
I'm still trying to solve it.
Okay. Shall I go ahead and solve on the board? Vidyut, you can solve.
Yes.
I didn't know how to do this one actually.
Why, Amma? Why? Meaning draw the rectangle, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna try that now.
Yeah, when you draw the rectangle, length is here. Length is here. Let's say this is length. Height is this. What are they talking about the height? Height is 3 centimeter more than twice its length, right?
Yeah.
This height is as well the same thing. So
I'm-
how do you find the perimeter?
Auntie, I got it too.
L plus L plus 3 plus 2L plus 3 plus 2L.
Mm-hmm.
That is the perimeter equal to 60. Now combine the L's. 2L, 4L, 6L. Plus 6 equal to 60. 6L equal to 54. L is equal to 9. When it is 9, 18, 18, 89, 20, 21.
Oh, okay.
Okay, got it? So W equal to 21. So area is what? Area of rectangle is width times length, right? 21
Mhm.
times 9, 189 square
Mhm.
units.
Okay. Mhm.
Shahreen, good job. But the area was asked. Shahreen, are you able to follow, ma?
Yeah, I just forgot to find the area.
Yeah, not a problem, Shahreen. As long as you're able to follow, I'm fine. You and Shahreen and Arihan. Okay. If you're not able to follow or feel too overwhelmed, you can let me know. You got it?
Yes.
Both of you. Can I move on? Samantha, did you get it?
I get it.
When I drew it, rather than like just take all the information at once.
No,
Once
no,
you
no.
drew it,
You
and
understood, Amma? Did you understand?
yeah,
Okay, good. Okay, let's go ahead with this one. Okay, one thing, whenever we are going to cover, hey, I'm driving 50 miles at the rate of 25 miles per hour. All this type of problems, right? Practical problems, where you cover distance, speed, time. When we are covering distance, speed, time problems, right? Okay, there's something called average speed. This is a very common problem that comes in MCA. Average speed will be equal to total distance by total time. You cannot afford to forget this. Suppose if I say, this is my house, okay? This is my friend's house. Suppose if I say, I go to my friend's house, which is 100 kilometer far, okay, at 25 miles per hour. Okay. And then I come back at the rate of 50 miles per hour. If I say this right, do you think you can calculate the average speed? This is my forward speed, this is my reverse speed, right? Please don't do this. You cannot add the speed 1 plus speed 2 divide by 2. That is not the average. This is wrong. You get it? This is a very common mistake kids do, because average speed is different. Average speed is total. You cannot calculate the average speed in this scenario because you don't know what is the total distance. You don't know what is the total time. You got it? They should have said, you know the total distance. It's indeed 200. Going, coming back. Total time, you don't know how much they took. You get it?
Wait, is it supposed to be 100 kilometers or 100 miles?
Okay, 100 kilometer. Okay, sorry. Vidyut, you caught me red-handed. Thank you. It's miles. So 100 miles. So the thing is, it's total distance divided by total time. Don't take the average of speeds to get your average speed. That is incorrect. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Okay, we are going to work on a problem. It's a common mistake that people do. Okay, now I jog 2 miles in 25 minutes. I turn around, take another 55 minutes. 55 minutes to come home. What is my average speed? Can you guys give me this?
Wait, is the distance like how far is it from the where you turn around to home?
It's given in the problem, right? Read the
Oh
problem.
yeah.
Is it 55? I can't read.
Oh, sorry.
Can
Where I have not written legibly. Please tell me. I
It's
jog
the
2
same.
miles. I jog 2 miles in
Mm.
25 minutes.
Okay, and
I
then
turn around, take another 55 minutes to come
Okay.
home. What is my average speed?
Do you jog 2 miles away from home and then come home, or do you like?
Correct.
Is that like a rate? Just
I jog 2 miles to the park.
okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Why, Arihan? Can you explain why you can't solve? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Arihan, the average speed means the total distance traveled divided by the total time. Total distance traveled divided by the total time.
Is my answer correct?
Something is not right, guys, for sure. What is going on? I have given in minutes. Hamsini, that's right. Okay.
Auntie, did I get it right?
Illama, see, Samantha, can I get the answer in miles per hour? I would like the answer in miles per hour.
Oh, miles.
I'll wait. I'm not in a hurry. Annika, can I get the answer in miles per hour? Harshita, correct, ma. Diya, correct. Sayush, are you following Sayush?
Yeah, I'm following.
Okay. Annika, no. Annika, you are finding it minutes. The minutes you have to convert to hours, right, ma? Vidyut, almost there, but somewhere you made a mistake, Vidyut. In your computation, you made a mistake.
Oh.
I don't know where you made the mistake though, but looks like it is in computation. Vrishank, that's correct. So guys, let's see. Okay, average speed is what? I'm going to work it out on the board. Total distance by total time. Swarit, correct. Anika, correct. Now, what is the total distance? Total distance is 4 miles. Total time, total time is hard. It's in minutes, but I want it in hours. Hours. Miles, already I got miles, but I don't have the hours. So how many minutes is this? 50, 60, 70, 80 minutes. But 80 minutes, can I convert it to hours?
That's an hour and 20.
No.
Yeah, if I divide by 60, right? That is 80 minutes will be 80 by 60 hours, which is 4 by 3 hours. You got it? So the total time taken is 4 by 3 hours. So basically, this is what it is. 4 miles divided by 4 by 3 hours. But you know what? We can't write like this. 4 divided by 4 by 3. 4 times 3 by 4, which is 3 mile per hour.
Oh, I see where I gone wrong.
Good. Sayush, did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Are
Like-
you near?
I answered before you said the answer, but like I think you didn't see.
Oh, yeah. I saw. Sorry, Sayush. Yes, I saw. Okay, guys. Now, I know I can give you one more problem, right? Okay. Okay, how about this? How about this? I start at home. and go uphill for 30 minutes. At 6 miles per hour. Okay. I turn around, ride home on the same path. 18 miles per hour. What is my average speed? Okay, we'll move on to work-based problems.
Do you have to calculate how much time it takes to get back because it's less?
Definitely, right? If
Yeah.
average speed is total distance by total time.
Wait, Auntie, so it's not 30 minutes back home, it's something else?
Yes, because my speed is varying, right? You get it, Aryan?
No, yeah, I got it.
I'm starting to get it.
Then you're starting to get it. Nice, Arhan. Nice to know. Annika, absolutely. Whatever is easy. However, your brain thinks. I will not say you should go by this way or that way. Whichever is easy for your brain, do it that way. I get it. Some find that easy, some find the other way easy. Yes, yes, your formula is as well correct. Then we'll go to work rate, ma. Let's see. In these questions, please don't do 18 plus 6 divide by 2. That is the major problem if you do that. Samantha, you want to do it on the board, Samantha? Something feels wrong.
Okay.
Arshita, correct, ma. And if you attend the classes, you register for the exam, guys. Without registering, please push your parents to register for the exam. Try it out. It's a 25 question test. Even if you get a 5, try it out. It will be an awakening. Okay, and being in touch with these math rate really helps you with PSAT. You don't need to specially prepare. You will do well. Arihan, how did you do that?
Is it correct?
Not really. Annika, somewhere you went wrong, Annika. Sayu, somewhere you went wrong. Guys, one of you explain. Those whoever got it wrong, explain. Then only we'll know. Harshad, somewhere you went wrong. Guys, please, one of you explain, guys. Whoever got it wrong. It's good to explain. My classes, you have to get it wrong. Otherwise, there's no
Okay.
point in coming for a
Auntie.
class.
So
Hmm.
So what I first did was you start at home and then go uphill for 30 minutes at 6 miles per hour. If it's 6 miles per hour and 30 minutes, then you went 3 miles uphill. So the distance of going uphill is 3 miles. So if you turn around and ride home at the same path, then it's 3 miles plus 3 miles, 6 miles. Your total distance.
Wait a minute. Total distance is 6 miles is calculated. Any questions on this, Vrishank?
Yeah, I got the same thing. I got like the total distance is 6 miles.
Okay, now who wants to explain total time? How to calculate total time? Hamsini, that seems incorrect, Hamsini.
Oh,
Shahreen, that's correct. Good job. Arihan, that's not correct. I know where the mistake is. Okay, how are you going to help me? Who is going to calculate total time for me? Try, guys. Let's make mistakes.
I don't know, but I'll try.
Go ahead. Thank you, Vidyut. Go ahead.
So you're going at first you go uphill at 6 miles per hour at 30 minutes.
Hmm.
So that means like if you go 6 miles in an hour, that means you had to divide it by 2. It'll be 3 for 30 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And then you had to do that for
Good, good. So this, okay. So the time taken was what? 3 minutes?
mm,
Allah, what were,
30.
30, okay, 30 minutes. And then downward,
10.
how much
10
time? Huh?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Good job. How did you calculate that?
Because like
equal
you're
to
going
time.
3 times as fast.
Good job. Speed equal to distance by time, right? Time will be equal to distance by speed. Distance is 3 miles, by speed is 18. So 3 by 18 is 1 by 6. So time was 1 by 6th of an hour. 1 by 6th of an hour is what? 1 by 6th of 60,
10
which is
minutes.
10 minutes. So the total time is 40 minutes. Now my average speed should be in miles per hour. I know that. But then why don't I convert it to hour? 40 by 60 is 2 by 3 hours, right? Now total distance divide by total time. I will write this out as 6 divided by 2 by 3 or 6 times 3 by 2, which is 9 miles per hour. Good job, Dia. Sayush, computation, fraction, multiplication, division.
Wait, where did you get 2 by, where did you get 40 by 60?
Because this is 30 minutes uphill, 10 minutes downhill, total 40 minutes.
Okay, 40 out of 60, which is 2 by 3.
Yeah,
Oh.
did we get it, guys?
Yeah.
I still
Can I move
don't
on?
get it.
Hmm?
I still don't get it.
Which one you didn't get?
Auntie.
The part I get about the distance, but the thing I don't understand is when you get to the 40 minutes thing, and then the things you start after the 40 minutes thing.
Okay, 40 minutes, how will you convert it to hours?
2/3 of an hour.
Good job. So now total distance divide by total time. I have to divide 6 divide by 2 by 3, right, Arihan?
I thought it was 40 for the total time because 30% is 40.
That's true, but I converted to hours.
Oh,
You got it?
I still don't get it.
6 divided by 2 by 3 becomes 6 times 3 by 2. Where you didn't get Arihan?
The part where we start that division, 46 by 60.
40 by 60 is what? 2 by 3 hours, right? You got that part? Arihan?
I get it now.
Okay. Let me move on and see. How about this? Okay. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to get into work rate problems. Okay. Okay. Now, I'm going to do work rate problems. Work rate problems is like this. Okay. This is work done. Okay. Once the work is done means it's equal to 1. Okay. This is the rate at which work is done and the time for which work was done. Okay. Now, let's say I clean up my room. I will do some problems, okay? I clean up my room in 2 hours. Okay. My mom cleans up my room in 4 hours. Okay. My mom and I work together. This one is a little tricky. How many hours are we going to take? Anybody? Anybody wants to try before I start explaining all these?
Wait,
Yes, go
Auntie,
ahead and.
I have a question.
Yes.
What do you mean by rate? Like,
Uh, okay. Annika wants to say Arihan has an answer. Let's see. What do you mean by rate? Rate means, let's say I clean up my room in 2 hours, right? The rate at which I do work is in 1 hour, I finish 1/2 of the task. So my rate is 1/2.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Annika, go ahead and explain. Arihan, I'll come back to you.
So for me, the rate of which I do it is in 1 hour I clean half of my room, so 1 hour is 0.5, and my mom, and it's 2 hours, so it's 0.5 times 2, which is 1, I think, and then my mom cleans up my room in 4
I
hours.
finish in 2 hours, right? 2 is the
Yeah.
time. The rate at which I do means if I finish one task in 2 hours, right? In 1 hour, how much of the task, what fraction of the task will I complete? 1/2, right?
Half.
See,
Yeah.
that is what is work done. Work done is 1. Work done is 1 means the task is getting completed.
Yeah. Okay.
So,
So
go
my
ahead.
mom cleans up the room in 4 hours, so the rate
Her
would
rate
be
is 1/4. Time for which she takes the cleaning up task is 4 hours.
4. So the
Yeah,
work done is
but no,
1.
we both work together. So that's a problem, right? So the way I start this is how? You tell me.
You first calculate the rate and time of
Rate
each.
of me is what? 1/2. Rate of my mom,
Is
1/4.
1/4.
Now we'll use a formula. Okay.
Do
Now
you
the combined rate is 1/2 plus 1/4. We don't know the time because that's what I need to find out. So that should be equal to 1. The task should get done, right? So now 1 will be equal to 2/4 plus 1/4 times the time. This will be 3/4 times time will be equal to 1. But I need the time, right? Time will be equal to 4/3 hours. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Did we do it correctly?
Instead of typing 1/3, I typed 1/1, 1/2. I
No,
just
1 minute, Amma. 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, this I gave it.
Right,
Okay.
Auntie.
Yeah, ma.
So then, what would the answer be? Like how many?
Time we will take together if we work is 4/3 hours.
Oh,
You get it, huh?
yeah.
We'll do more problems. See, this one is a little tricky, meaning this one comes in algebra 2 for that matter, but it is not as hard as algebra 2.
Wait, Auntie, I have a question.
Go ahead.
So you went from, I get how you got to 3/4. That's fine, but how do you get 4/3, the reciprocal?
Okay, good question. 1 is equal to 3/4 times t.
Yeah.
How will you solve for t? Multiply by 4/3 on both sides.
Oh, yeah,
This
got it.
becomes t will be equal to 4/3.
Yeah. Okay, got it.
Swarit, are we good?
Yeah.
Okay, Ma, the class is intended to be hard only. Okay, but then if it is too overwhelming, we can stop. We don't want to get to a point where we are breaking apart. You see, but it's good to learn more. How about this? I want an easy problem. I don't want a hard problem. Okay. Okay, first let me give you an easy problem. The problem is the book does not have any easy problem. Hold on, guys. I will refer to something else. The book, I will send the details of the book, meaning at the end of the class, I'll give you all the details. But wait. I want a work rate problem, right? Easy ones. Yes. Okay, how about this? See, it's all algebra-based problems we are doing. Oh, okay. Okay, how about this? Hamsini, is this new to you or you know this, Hamsini?
This is sort of new, but I can do the problems
Oh, okay.
a little
Okay.
bit.
Okay. I am assuming you all know ratios as well, right? Let's see.
Is my answer correct?
Good question. I don't know the answer.
I have a question. Was my answer for the last one correct?
The last one was 4 by 3 hours. Arihan, the last answer was 4 by 3 hours, Amma. Did you get it?
I'm not getting it.
You're not getting it. Okay, let's go ahead with this problem. We'll go back a little later. Go ahead. What question did I give you guys? Alex used elimination. Okay. Alex used elimination method. Um,
Did I get it correct?
1 second, ma. I'm checking. Hold on.
What about me?
Harshita Samantha got it. Annika, what was it, Annika? Vidyut correct. Hamsini correct. Harshad correct.
Oh, I thought we had to write it as ratios.
No, no. Your ratios seem correct, but can you elaborate and tell me the final answer? Shahri Namin correct. Swarit Aryan, I'm going to wait for you. Sayush. It's more of, see here.
Auntie, I don't know why, but just today my brain is not working. Can you
Doesn't
explain
matter.
this one to
Doesn't
me?
matter. Sorry, that's right. So basically, guys, see, Alex can solve 20 equations in 10 minutes. I will write it down like this. Bob can solve 20 equation in 2 minutes. So basically, whenever they are doing work, right, when you want to use this work rate, right, the best way you would do is you have to find the rate at which work is getting done. Alex rate is what? So in 1 minute, how many problems is he going to solve? If it's 1 minute, he's going to solve 2 problems. Do you see? If it is 1 minute, he's going to solve 2 equations per minute. That is his rate. Similarly, this guy, if it is 1 minute, right, you divide by 2 on both sides, he's going to solve 10 equations per minute. That is his rate. You got it? Now, how much time will both of them work? 62 variable equation should be solved. So the work should be 60 problems. Will be rate is what? Rate is the combined rate of combined rate of both of them. So they'll be able to solve 12. That is the rate, 12 equations per minute, right? And then the time is going to be in minutes. So time will be equal to 60 divided by 12, 5 minutes. Any questions? Annika, 5 minutes for 60 problems.
I don't get it.
What is that you didn't get?
Sorry, flip the number.
No. Let's go one by one. Who wants to know? Who said, Arihan, you didn't get it?
I didn't get it.
Okay, what is that you didn't get, Amma?
The one after the 20 equation, 10 minutes, the ratio part.
There is no ratio in here. Radha. 20 equations in 10 minutes means 2 equations per minute for Alex, 10 equations per minute for Bob, correct? So they can solve 12 equations per minute, correct? Together, correct, Arihan? If they can solve 12 equations per minute, 60 problems will take how many? 5 minutes, right? Arihan?
Yes.
Okay. Can I move on? Can I move on?
I still don't get it.
What is that you didn't get, Amma, Arihan? Tell me.
The rates in the
If you
rates.
Arihan, I know how you work. If you don't get the rates or you don't need to substitute in the formula, I'm fine. But did you understand logically? Meaning, he does it 2 equations per minute. He does it at 10 equations per minute. So totally 12 equations per minute they can solve together. How many 12s are needed to make up 65?
Oh, I get it now.
Yeah, see, that's fine. I know how you work. You can do that way. Okay, now let's see this one. This one is a hard problem. Okay, how about this? Let's see this one. You're going to think about it. Again, you're going to use work rate, okay? 5 moles can dig 4 holes in 3 minutes. How many minutes will it take for 9 moles to dig 6 holes? I want all of you to answer this one. See, work getting done is 1. You're going to use work rate time. Now, it's a little tricky. Work is the number of holes dug. How many holes are dug? Okay, suppose if you have too many people working, right, that you can add it in here. Number of moles can be added there times the number of moles because for you to make it easy, right, work getting done, work is the number of holes that are being dug.
Wait,
here.
does this mean that one mole can dig 4 holes in 15 minutes?
Does it mean that?
One mole can dig 4 holes in 15 minutes.
I need to check. 1 mole can dig 4 holes in
15 minutes.
you are reducing the mole, so you'll increase. Correct. That's right. Good job.
1 can do 4 and 15. So 1 can do 1 and how much?
Wait, is it 1 mole to dig 6 holes or multiple moles?
Will it take for 9 moles?
Oh.
9 moles to dig 6 holes. Indian, are you following?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay. Yeah, I really need to know who all are attending as well. Okay. I just need to know. Let me write it down because that's quite important for me. Okay. So now I have Arihan, Harshit, Arihan, Harshit, Annika, Aryan, Diya, Hamsini. And then I have Arshita, Inian, Samantha, Sarvesh. Arshita, Inian, Samantha, Ayush, Share, Vishrankudi. Okay, guys, let me also tell you this. If you're learning something, then definitely do, okay? But if you're not learning anything, it's too easy, then this is not for you, okay? So we'll have to try and understand and keep going. Please do the homework, okay? There's a lot of questions I'm going to give.
Where do
And
we do the homework?
I have not even created Google Classroom. I will do it.
Okay.
What if it is too hard? I know. Arihan, I'm going to talk to you at the end of the class.
Just to make sure, does this mean one mole can dig one hole in 3 75/100ths of a minute?
Your questions make me work out. Tell me, what was that?
Can one mole dig one hole in 3 75/100ths of a minute?
Wait, Amma, I need to check. Wait, somebody's logging in. Wait. Wait, I didn't listen to your question. Hold on. Now tell me, what is your question?
Can one mole dig one hole in 3 75/100ths of a minute?
Can one mole dig one hole? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. One mole
Priya?
dig one hole. Yeah, Amma?
Just to make sure, is it how many holes can I mean, how much time will it take for 5 moles to dig one hole, or how much holes can one mole dig in like 3 minutes?
How many minutes will it take for 9 moles to dig 6 holes is the question.
But for the rate,
Oh, for the rate, rate, it's better to go with, okay. So, what fraction of the work gets done in 1 minute by 1 mole is the rate, right? See, here, what fraction of the work gets done in 1 minute by 1 mole? That is what we need to know. How many holes are getting done? So, for us to calculate that, how to calculate that? Let's try. Okay, now 4 holes, right? Work is 4 holes. Okay, we don't know the rate, right? But the time is 3 minutes. And how many moles? 5 moles. Right? Now, the rate is 4 by 15. What does it mean? 4 by 15th of the hole gets done, is dug by 1 mole in 1 minute. Make sense? Again, we are going to use the same work rate formula. What is that work rate formula? How many? We know the rate now. The rate can. Yeah, 1 minute. Can I finish, Amma?
okay.
Okay. The rate is here, and then the 6 holes. 6 holes is the work done, right? And the number of moles is 9. That is what we want, right? Meaning the time is what we want. How to do this? 4 by 15 times 9 is 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So basically it's 12 by 5 t will be equal to 6. T will be equal to 30 by 12. 30 by 12, right? So that is what? 15 by 6. 5s are 15, 5 by 2, 2.5 minutes. So it will take 9 moles, 2.5 minutes to dig 6 holes. It was a hard question. Where is that? How can I explain? Who didn't understand? What you didn't understand? Go ahead.
Wait, Auntie, why did you multiply 5 with like in the over there?
Because it is not just 1 mole. If they had given 1 mole means it's easy, work equal to rate times time. But here there are too many people who are handling the work. So that I multiply it here. Then see, because that many people work, that many, meaning you see, meaning that many people's work has to be taken into account to see work done, correct?
Yeah.
So work equal to rate time times the number of people. If there are too many people who are working, you have to include that in the formula.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Others, any questions? I'm here to solve any questions.
I don't understand it.
You don't understand, right, Arihan?
I did not understand.
Okay, no problem, Arihan. We'll talk at the end. Okay, one more question. Can we solve? Can we solve, guys? One more.
Mm-hmm.
How about this?
Okay.
How about this? 7 minutes for 7 moles to dig 7 holes. I want to know 8 moles to dig 8 holes. How many minutes? Maybe one more question. I'll leave you there. Okay.
Did I get the first one correct?
1 minute, ma. Let me check. I'm writing the problem. Give me 1 minute. Hamsini, are you following?
Yeah, I'm kind of confused on the first problem, so I'm solving it.
Okay. Oh, that's good, guys. Many of you got it.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, okay, ma. Go. No, guys, it's not 8 minutes. 8 is not the answer. 8 is not the answer, guys. See, 16 is not the answer. Must see, you should always find the rate first. I told you, right? Rate means what? 1 mole, right? What fraction of the work in 1 minute? In 1 minute, how many holes? That is the rate. How many holes are being dug by 1 mole in 1 minute? You see, that is what is the rate. W equal to RTM. Here, you have to find the rate. How are we going to find out? The work done is how many holes? 7 holes. Rate, you don't know, you have to find. But time is 7 minutes and 7 moles are there. So what is the rate? 1 by 49. So 1 by 49 of a hole gets completed in 1 minute. Correct? Harshita correct? Hamsini correct. Now 8 moles to dig 8 holes. Again, we'll use the same equation. 8 moles, 1 by 49. You don't know the time. But 8 holes. So what it would be? T will be equal to 49 times 8 divide 49 times 8 divide by 8. No, wait. 1 by 4, I'm sorry, 7 by 49. So 1 by 7. Rate was 1 by 7. So if I put 1 by 7 here, so that would be 7 times 8 divided by 8 is time equal to 7 minutes. It's a little hard, right? Okay, can we do the second problem? Work, same.
I'm still working on the second problem.
Okay, I can wait. Find out the rate, guys. Rate means it's always for one person, how many problems they solve in 1 minute or 1 hour. It's like that. So always go for the rate. 4 students are solving 9 problems in, let me write it down. This is the number of moles. Number of moles means number of people. So you can find out the rate and then again use the same equation to plug in values. Okay, now I want to stop here after this. Do you think I have to assign the MC8 paper? Can you do whatever you know and then go? I will give you the paper now.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know the answer for this one. Good job, guys. Hamsini correct, Harshita correct. Vidyut correct. Shahrin, is it too hard? Shahrin.
I'm still trying it.
Okay. Yeah. Swarit, you want the same questions to be sent to you? I didn't get you. What is that?
Wait, what?
Did you want the same questions to be sent to you?
Which questions?
Arshad, that's not correct.
Which questions, Auntie?
Which questions? No. Okay, I'll talk to your mom. Your mom has messaged something. So here, guys, how did you all do? If you get a 15, I'm going to send the MC paper to you for you all to try. Can I give? Doesn't matter. You will not know 20 questions, okay? But I want you to solve the 5 questions that you know. You see? You all get it, right? We will discuss whatever you don't know in the paper. Can I give it to you now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't need to take the entire 40 minutes. You can just go. If you don't know the problem, skip. Can I give it to you now? Okay, hold on.
Is it in Gmail?
Not really, ma. Wait, amma. Form timer. 1 second. I don't remember how I said this. Hold on, guys. Oh my gosh. Give me a minute. I set it up for you. Yeah, I have it here. What is this thingy? I know. You know what? I set it incorrectly. No. Yeah. Okay, so this is the link. Oh, but you know what? It gives you 1 minute, 40 minutes, right? Okay. For those of you who are done working on this problem, you can go ahead and do this one. Okay, there are 25 questions. There is no constraint for you to attempt all the 25. Okay. Just guess. Make an educated guess. Think that is your real AMC 8. There is no negative marking. If you don't know, make an educated guess. Keep moving. But please work on the test that you know. Okay. Please work on the problems that you know. Yes.
Will we have to like switch off our video on Zoom? Or is like there a specific way for
I
logging
just
in?
need submissions from all of you. Okay. I just need submissions from all of you. That's all. That's the only constraint.
Auntie, can you
Okay.
go over the answer for this one?
Yeah, I'm going to work it out on the board.
Auntie,
Yeah.
I don't understand how to plug it in.
You don't know. Okay, so see here. What is given? 4 students. 4 students is this 4.
Mhm.
9 problems. 9 problems is the amount of work done. 30 minutes. We are going to have the time in minutes. Now, the rate will be 9 by 30 times 4. Right? So, the rate is what? 3 by 40. So, 3 by
Yeah, I got that.
3 by 40 of a problem will get solved by one student in 1 minute.
Yeah, I got that.
Now I'm going to reuse the formula again. Now I know the rate. I don't know the time. Solve in 40 minutes they have given. Okay. How many problems? I don't know the work that's going to get done. But 5 students. You get it? W equal to 15 problems.
Oh,
Got it?
yeah.
It's easy to use a formula. Otherwise, I won't advocate formulas. For this
Yeah,
one, it's
auntie,
yeah, ma.
like number 3 on the form you just sent, it's really weird. It
One
just
minute.
has, because it just has the A, B, C, D, E, but it doesn't have any answer choices.
I'm sorry. It is my bad. I created it. I'm sorry. Problem 3.
Yeah, we only have 1 minute for the test. My timer just rang.
No. It's 40 minutes, right, guys?
No, my timer just like
Yeah,
went off.
same for me.
Auntie, it's
Yeah,
1
it's
minute for
1
the
minute.
entire test.
12 times 2 is 24.
At first, I thought we were like supposed to do as many as we
I
could.
only
in
see
1
1
minute.
minute too.
Okay, 1
That's
minute, guys. 1
crazy.
minute. Let me give you. Oh my gosh, I don't know why it gives you
So
1 minute.
should we like close the testing tab or?
Close the no, close the form. Let me see what to do. Close the form. Okay, close the form.
Like exit out of it.
Yeah, exit out of it.
Okay.
No, I was testing it, guys. So for some reason, I was testing by 1 minute. Is it closing the form? I was testing it. So that is getting set for some reason. I'm working on it. Hold on. This is better, guys. I'm going to resend the link. Can you do this? The link is resent.
Thanks.
You can do just 5 problems. I'm fine. Doesn't matter. Okay. But I want to see where we are. Arihan, I'll talk to you. You can log off, Arihan, if it is too hard. But if I don't mind if you want to give it a try.
4 subtracted by 2.
Arihan, would you like to give it a try?
I'll give it a try.
40 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Scissors.
We'll do one thing. You can get off Zoom, but I'll close the form.
No, I need scissors.
Okay. Bye.
9 p.m. CST, I'll close the form. Is that good enough?
Bye.
9 p.m. CST, I'll close the form.
Okay.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, but I want submission from all of you.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
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 Bye, guys.
Auntie, can I do that test tomorrow because I'm very tired? It's 9:18 over here.
Yes, but without attempting, you can't come for the next class.
Okay.
Bye. I get it. 9:30. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, mom.
Auntie, In
Hmm.
question number 3, there's no options. It only says A, B, C, D, and E, and there's nothing for us to choose from. Problem 3.
I'll rectify it right away. Problem 3, what is happening?
I don't.
Oh, you don't have the option. Okay, I see. Okay, Ma, I'll correct it. Give me 1 minute. Okay, now refresh the screen. Good enough?
It's loading. It's not.
Thank you, Harshit.
Mm.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Andy, I'm sorry. It's just that the link is not working anymore. The thing is not working anymore. I'm just trying to go into chat. Wait, can you send the link again?
Really?
Yeah, it's not working after I refreshed it.
See now?
Yeah, I see it. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, Ma.